Hello students, in the fourth part of MIS video, I just want to discuss SQL queries, that is the part of your syllabus. What you will do, you will just write on Google SQL Live. Then click on the first link, Oracle Live SQL. Then you have to sign in. It will take 1 minute. As I have already account, I will just log in. If you don't have account, then just create your login by using create account. Then click on sign in. Now click on start coding. I have logged in as with my Gmail ID. Now this type of window will open. Here you will write your query. For example, I am taking an example. I am creating a table student. So what I will write? I will write create table student. Then what attribute associate with student, like his roll number. After roll number, we will write int. This int indicates integer because roll number is an integer type value. Roll number contain integer type value. So we will take int as integer. Then name. For name we can take character. For character we will take initial four letters char. Then after writing the char, we will take a bracket, and in this bracket we have to give some value. Like I have given 20. What is it meaning of this 20? The maximum length of name. Say the name is Divya Prasad Mishra. So I will count the range maximum length of the name, and I see in my class there is maximum length of the name is 20. Then I'll take 20. Next, address. For address field, I'll take VARCHAR. What is this? Var variable character. This will take alphanumeric value. Alphanumeric means number as well as character. Now again, I have to give some limit. I am giving the limit 50. Why I have taken var over here? Because in character field, we will take only character values. In var field, address, like address plot number 21. So plot number is character and 21 is numeric. So alphanumeric value, for alphanumeric value, we are taking var variable and character. Next, we can take marks. For marks, we can take data type int. For integer. Integer, I am taking initial 3. This is the syntax. Now put the termination operator, that is semicolon. Now select this and click on run button. Here table created means this table with this attribute has been created. Now we will insert the value data, insert into student. Values is a part of syntax. Insert into student is a table name, and values is the part of syntax. We have to write this. Then in this sequence, first at the table time of table creation, I have taken roll number first. Then I will take 1. Here the name should be in single quotation, like Akash. Then I will take address, like I am taking Ghaziabad. Then marks, I have taken 85 marks. Then I'll put semicolon. I will select this and I'll click on run. Now the data is inserted. If we want to insert one more data, just copy it and paste it. Just change the values, say to Akshita, address Delhi, then marks, say 95. Okay, then we will select this and click on run. Now, how we will see it? Select asterisk from table name is student. Why I am taking this asterisk? Because I want to see all the data of student. We can also see the selected field. I'll show. First, I will show this. Here we can see 2 and 1, Akash and Akshita, Delhi and Ghaziabad, 85, 95. Whichever information we have given, our table is displayed over here with these fields. Now, if we want to see only two fields, say roll number and marks, then what we will write? Select roll number, comma marks from student. It will display only two fields of this whole data. This whole database contains 1, 2, 3, 4 column. And by this query, we will get only two column, roll number and marks. Suppose director ma'am want to see the report of two column, roll number and marks, then you will write this query. You will generate a report and you will give that report to seniors. Now click on run. Now we can see roll number and marks, two fields displayed, 1, 2, 95 and 85, only two fields displayed. So with the help of select, we can select the selected field as well as we can display the all fields. With the help of asterisk, we can display all the field, and if we want to display the selected field, we will write just name of those fields. Now come to the next topic, that is view. In your syllabus, this is the full table which I have created with the name of a student. If we want to create a view, what is view? View is a virtual table. What is view? View is a virtual table, and if you want to create a view, what we will write? Create view. Suppose admission office of your college want to send the letters of fees on your address. Then we will create a view and we will give to the admission department. We will give to the fees department. Create view. Then we have to give a view name. We are creating the view for fees department. So just taking the name create view fees. As select. As select, क्या select करना है? हमको select करना है यहाँ से roll number, name and address, 3 fields. Because that department is not interested for marks. So as select roll number, comma name, comma address from. कहाँ से लेना है हमें? ये जो व्यू बना रहे हैं हम लोग, कौन सी टेबल से बना रहे हैं? स्टूडेंट टेबल से. तो from student. That table, that command will create a view. Now view created. Now if we want to see the view, then select asterisk from. Now we will write the view name. What name we have given to view? View को हमने नाम दिया है fees. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे fees. Select start from fees. When we will see this, we will find here the three fields: roll number, name, and address, because we have created the view with this three fields. If we do any changes in the original table, then that changes will be reflected on this view also. In this sequence, these three commands are mentioned in your syllabus. Create table, insert the data into table, then you have create table with this syntax. Then you have inserted the data with the help of insert into student values. Then you have to see all the data with the help of star. Select star from student. If you want to generate a report is also the part of your syllabus. So you can see here report. We are giving the query and we are getting the report as per the requirement. With the help of select roll number and marks, we are getting the report of 2 column. With the help of star, we are getting all the records. So this comes in, these queries comes in the part of report. Then as per the next topic, view. When we are creating a virtual table, that is a subset of the original table. Original table contain the student roll number, name, address, and marks. The fees department of college want to send the letter for fees. So we will create a view. We will create a view and we will give to the fees department so they can send the letter. So how we create a view? Create view fees. ये view name हो गया. Then as select. क्या select करना है? रोल नंबर को, नेम को एंड मार्क्स एड्रेस को. और कहाँ से सेलेक्ट करना है? फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट. सो वी हैव रिटन select roll number, name, address from student. Now to see the view, we have just put it the command select star from fees. Fees is the view name. So registrar जो fees office है जिसके लिए हमने ये टेबल बनाई है, वो ये टेबल को इजिली देख लेंगे. Now all the changes we will which we will do in the original table student, that changes will be reflected also on this view. For that we can check update table student. Update is used to do any changes in the data. Update table student, set address equals to, suppose Akash is also shifted to Delhi, then we will change the result Delhi. Update table student, set address equals to Delhi, where कहां पर, जहां पर रोल नंबर क्या हो, 1 हो, वेयर रोल नंबर इक्वल्स टू 1. Here some error come. Update table student, set address equals to Delhi, where roll number equals to 1. Now let me check. Okay. Update direct we will put the student. Update student, set address equals to Delhi, where roll number 1. Roll number 1 आकाश ने अपना चेंज किया एड्रेस गाजियाबाद से दिल्ली. So we have to update the address with the help of query. Update student, set address equals to Delhi, where roll number equals to 1. One row updated. Now we can see table with updation. Select asterisk from student. अब हम देखेंगे कि हमारा जो रोल नंबर 1 था वो भी अब रहने लगा है कहाँ, दिल्ली में. तो उसका एड्रेस चेंज हो जाना चाहिए. लेट्स चेक. Now we can see here the Akash is also lived in now Delhi. So this change should be reflected on view. As I have said, view is a virtual table that is created from view. Now we have to check the view. Previously here the in address Ghaziabad is written, but now we will check select from view name is fees. Now we can see. Here the roll number, name and address, 3 field contained in the view. And here the Akash address is also changed to Delhi. So this is all about your 4th lecture. You have learned create table, insert data in table, select the data, select data for creating the report. Then you have learned the view, how the view created with the help of existing table, and how the view is reflecting changes when we are doing any changes in the original table. So thank you so much, student. This is all about your last lecture, 4th lecture. So now the unit is end up. Thank you so much, students.